Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about facial oils and what I have changed drastically in the way that I use them. And I have been using facial oils for a very long time, and I was using them the same way with kind of the same result. So I have been using coconut oil and avocado oil, almond oil, and jojoba oil for years and years. And the coconut, and since I have actually moved from Southern California to Arizona where it's very dry, I have found that my skin is just so dry all the time, especially when I get up in the morning. So normally I was for a while using just coconut oil to hydrate my skin at night. Like I would just do my skincare regimen and just coconut oil, and it would feel very good when I put it on. I'm very hydrated, and then I would wake up and my skin would be rather dry. So what I found out is that the oil actually needs water in order to stay hydrated, and it's best if the oil is used with a moisturizer. A moisturizer and a facial oil together work very well. So together they make the perfect combination. And so I've also found that I've gone back to avocado oil, using avocado oil as opposed to coconut oil. I still use coconut oil for other things, such as sometimes my hair and sometimes to remove makeup. Coconut oil is really good as an oil, the oil cleansing, to cleanse your makeup and to remove makeup. Jojoba oil is wonderful too, but jojoba oil is a little bit lighter than avocado oil. So for that reason, jojoba oil is very good for the daytime. For nighttime though, I want the oil with the moisturizer. And normally, if I just put a moisturizer on, even a really hydrating, it's not enough for me. So what I do is I use the avocado oil. It doesn't just lubricate the skin, okay? It actually helps with a few different things. I was surprised that it helps heal the skin, and it can help with sunburns. It can aid in cell turnover. It's anti-inflammatory. It protects the skin. And it has antioxidants in it. So it's really, really good for the skin. And what's great about it, again, it's not greasy, as opposed to coconut oil. Coconut oil is very greasy. You put it on the skin, it takes a while to absorb. This absorbs pretty quickly. And so for me, it makes it the perfect nighttime oil. Also, I wanted to say that it nourishes the hair and the scalp. I have an eczema problem, and so for that, it's really good. It's good. It can nourish the hair. You can use it. My hair gets frizzy and out of control. It tames it. I'm going to link an article below that I read on the avocado oil that you can read, because there's so many things I just can't cover it in this video because I want to make this video short for time. But anyway, the avocado I've been getting is the Trader Joe's. Make sure if you get an oil that it is cold pressed. That is very important, because then it will keep the nutrients, and it's not high heated, so you won't lose any of the nutrients. So in the article it said it helped to increase collagen. So I'm not sure how it does that, but that's one thing that I did find out about it. Now at Trader Joe's, I believe this is under $6. This bottle, if I'm just using it on my hair and my skin, and sometimes maybe mixed with foundation, it's going to last a long time. And the best price I have found has been at Trader Joe's, actually. It's going to last a really long time for the face and hair. So I think it's a great value. And again, the avocado oil at night, if you have dry skin, if you have aging skin, again, you could probably even use this in foundation. It's very nice. So thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to share that, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.